Hey team, a quick recap to something that was kind of mentioned over the weekend on the office chat. I edited the emails to include the agent's MLS ID, email address, phone number, and license. And I'm referencing the emails that go to like the title lender, all the opening emails. The only thing you need to do is go to this WGR agent email column and input the agent's email address, which we all probably know by heart. And I'm just doing this as an example. I filtered the agents so I can see, for example, all of Joe's. And just to test it out, I went ahead and added his email address. Now, what you see on the left is the system auto populating his phone number, his MLS ID, and his license number. So these three columns do not have to be visible. You don't need to see them. So you don't have to have them in your view. You will need this agent email column in your view though. And then when you're opening a file, just make sure to input their email address. And when you change the file status to escrow, the emails that populate, the template emails, should now include all of that information. But if you want to make sure that all of your agents' information is populating correct, you can go to the main table view and just kind of try it out, kind of how I'm doing here. And I just went through a couple agents and I put their email address in. The good thing is as soon as you put their email address in once, it's there. It's kind of like a drop down and you can just pick your agents. The other thing I was going to say is if you have a file that's in, say, loan approval inspection escrow right now, if you go ahead and do this, when the file goes to post-closing, you will get the status form copy if you need to send it to the listing agent, and it should have all of the information there that is missing. If it needs to be tweaked, Emily is probably going to look at it, but that's it in a nutshell.